How to make YouTube video autoplay on Wix website. Once on your Wix website, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and select the plus that says add elements, and you're going to select video and music. From there, you can select whichever one of the player set out. So for example, we'll select single video players, and I'm going to be selecting YouTube. After doing that, it will be added to your Wix page. And from there, you could add in your YouTube video by selecting change video, and you can put in the video URL. After adding in the video URL, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option autoplays. You can toggle it on. You could also select plays in loop, so this means that the video will automatically repeat. Once you're finished, you're going to select save in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select preview, and you'll see that the video automatically starts playing. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.